All right, in this episode, we're going to take a look at customizing the Mavic Pro. Now, this is my Mavic Pro that I received back in October of the year 2016. That is one heck of a long time ago. I think I was one of the first people to order the Mavic Pro. And I've been flying it since, and I love this drone. It's looking a little bit aged around the edges. You know, there's some little scuffs here and there. So I'm going to try to make it look a little different since we have the Mavic Pro 2 coming out. And I'll show you how I'm going to do it. So I have this product here. Yes, it's a piece of cardboard. Well, it's actually what's in the cardboard that's important. I'll just flip it over. It's actually fluorescent stickers that go on your Mavic Pro, and you can actually use a bit of heat and actually heat shrink them to the Mavic Pro. They come with some cleaning material and some instructions. So I got the Hawaiian blue because it's already a gray color, so I thought this blue color would look pretty cool. Well, I won't know until I stick them on. So right now you see my Mavic Pro without the stickers, and with the magic of video I'm going to switch it to the Mavic Pro with Hawaiian blue stickers. Ta-da! So what do you think? It looks pretty cool, actually. Actually, these stickers go on really easy. You just put them on and you push and push and push to get them nicely into place, and you add just a bit of heat with a blow dryer, whatnot, a heat gun, very light with a heat gun, of course, and they stretch into place, so it's pretty cool. So here, I'll pick it up so you can get a better look. So there's the sides, there's another side, there's not much on the bottom. You can see the front is all done, and the back is there. So I have a battery in here, and if I take it out and if I show you one without the cover that I've put on it, there you go. So now you can fly it like that, and it actually looks pretty cool. You can do all your batteries. There's enough stickers that you can do 3 batteries. So I've got a few batteries here that are done. There's number 2, there's number 3, and this one here would be number 1. And of course they give you enough to do your actual controller. So your controller looks pretty cool. Match your controller to the actual drone. All right, I gotta put the links below to where you can buy these stickers on Hobby and RC. And right now I'm gonna show you the different colors you can get. You'll see them all up in the corner here as I'm pointing. I'm going through all the different colors. Those are all the colors you can order. So I picked the Hawaiian blue. I could have went for the orange or something a little bit more flashy, but I did Hawaiian blue. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next video.